Hey nail fam, hope you are doing well. It's your girl Tia Bella back again with another video. In today's video, I will be unboxing these 4 gel polishes that Madame Glam was kind enough to send me over. They've launched a new collection this month inspired by the destination Boston, and this collection has 8 beautiful nude gel polishes, absolutely stunning colors. I was able to get 4 of them. I'm going to quickly show you the names of these gel polishes, and then we're going to get into a quick swatching of these gel polishes. Now, if you've never heard of Madame Glam, they are based in New York and they have some of the best gel polishes on the planet. They are 21 free, which means there are 21 toxins not found in Madame Glam's gel polishes. They are vegan and cruelty free, they are palm oil free, they're also hammer free as well. If you are interested in any of these products from Madame Glam, please feel free to check the description box. I do have a discount code there. Now I do have my short square swatch sticks here. I'm simply just going to grab one of my little markers and just write the names of these gel polishes onto my swatch stick just so that I can be able to identify them. Now I have been seeing this trend called the clean girl aesthetics, and it started off as a skincare trend, and then I saw that a lot of persons started doing it on their nails. So because the gel polishes that are in this collection are all new gel polishes, I thought the clean girl aesthetic trend would be a good nail design for me to do. It's something I actually hardly ever do on my channel. Simple, clean, minimal nail design. So right now we're going to get into the swatches just so that you can see how pigmented, how one coat coverage these gels are, and so that you can get an appreciation for why I am so obsessed with Madame Glam gel polishes. So here is a final look at all of the colors finally swatched, and I added a little bit of top coat on top. Absolutely beautiful colors. So now we're done swatching, we're going to go ahead and start our nail design. So for this simple French ombre nude clean girl aesthetic nail set, we're going to get started by applying a very thin layer of base gel to the entire nail, and then we'll give this a cure under the UV lamp for 30 seconds. After I'm done curing that first layer of base gel, I'm now going to go in with a second layer of base gel, but I'm not actually going to cure this layer. I need this wet layer on my nail because I want to combine the cream gel polish with this clear base gel to make it a little bit more translucent. Because the colors from Madame Glam are so pigmented and so opaque, I wanted to add just a little bit of translucency. And I have spoke about this on my channel before. So if you want a creamier, thicker color to be a little bit more translucent, a little bit lighter, a little bit jellier, all you need to do is add a layer of base gel to that color. So now I'm taking the color that I've chosen and we're just going to go ahead and mix it with that base gel onto the nail. You're going to have to stroke a few more times to get that color incorporated into the base gel. Now, base gel does have a blooming effect when used with a normal cream or solid colored gel polish. So once you're done and you have most of the gel polish covering the entire nail, just allow it to sit for a few seconds so that it can bloom and spread out onto the nail. Because if you look at the nail now, it looks very streaky. You can see where the strokes are because it's being mixed with a clear gel polish. But again, base gel has a blooming effect. So allow the gel polish to kind of marinate and sit onto the nail maybe for 15 seconds before you pop it under your UV lamp to cure for 30 seconds. If you have any spills or product on your skin, be sure to use an angled brush dipped in acetone or isopropyl alcohol and clean up that excess gel off of your skin before you cure it under the UV lamp. Here's a look at the nail. I did go in with a second layer of that nude color onto my nail and then gave it a full cure. Now I'm going to be using this color white lace onto my nail. I couldn't decide if I wanted to use white lace or this next color called Sugar Sugar because they both are absolutely beautiful. But in the end, I decided I wanted this to be a white ombre anyway. So I decided to go with white lace. White lace is like a satin, soft, shimmery gel polish. It has a little bit of translucency to it, so it's not 100% creamy. And this was perfect to create my ombre with. So I'm starting by adding it just to 33% of this nail, just to the very tip. And then I will get my ombre brush and then we'll ombre this color down towards the middle of the nail. Now it does look a little bit thin. You will need to go in with a second layer of that white lace gel polish or any white gel polish that you have. You will need to go in with a second layer and then ombre it down again. Be sure to add a little bit of the gel polish to the free edge of your nail to cap it and then give it a cure under the UV lamp for another 30 seconds. Once the nail is entirely cured, then you can finish off by applying your top coat. And here's how that nail turned out. Absolutely nice and simple and easy. So now we're going to move on to the rest of the nails. Again, we're going to start off by applying a very thin layer of base gel to all of the nails and then give them a cure under the UV lamp for 30 seconds. Now, because I'm doing 4 fingers at a time, I decided to go for 60 seconds, but the minimum requirement is just 30 seconds. And now that we have that first layer cured, now I'm going to go in with a second layer of base gel, but we're not going to cure the base gel because we're going to be adding that cream colored gel polish to this nail, and we're going to thin it out and give it a jelly consistency onto the nail. This is how the nails look with just that one layer of the base gel and the gel polish. So now that we have that jelly layer down, we're just going to go in with a thin layer, a second thin layer of this gel polish onto the nails. Now that the nails have all been cured, now we can move on to applying the white lace gel polish to the tip of the nail and then giving it the ombre effect. Here I can see that I got a little bit of gel polish onto my skin and it actually cured. So when in that case, you're definitely going to have to be very careful to removing that. Now to finish off this nail, I'm going to go ahead and apply a thin layer of top gel to all of the nails and give them one final cure under the UV lamp. Now this is a sticky top coat. It's not a no wipe top coat. So I do have to take a little bit of isopropyl alcohol and kind of remove that sticky layer. Finally, to give this nail its shaping, I'm going to use my 180 file and just file around the side walls as well as the free edge. Here's a final look at how the nails are looking. They do remind me a little bit of acrylic nails, don't they? They give me like an acrylic effect. All right, and finally, just add a little bit of cuticle oil to those crusty cuticles, and here is how the nails turned out. I felt like this was a simple and very easy nail design, and you can do it too. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.